Would you believe me if I told you I made my first $1,500 online without spending a single penny? No laptop, no fancy setup, just an Android phone and Wi-Fi from my bedroom. Sounds crazy, right? But the truth is, money online isn't about big investments anymore. It's about smart moves. And today, I'll show you 3 side hustles you can literally start today with zero cost that can grow into thousands of dollars a month. Stick with me until the end, because the last one is the most fun, and it's the one you could start before you go to bed tonight. Number 3. Virtual assistant services. Let's start with the hustle that opened the doors for me: becoming a virtual assistant. I had no money, no experience, and no clue what a VA even was. I just signed up on Fiverr, wrote a simple profile, and offered email management. Boom! $40 in the first week. Not life-changing, but enough to prove this thing was real. Now imagine, if $40 a week could turn into $1,600 a month, would you try it? Drop a yes or no in the comments. And hey, if this sounds doable so far, give this video a quick like. It really helps more people find it. Here's the cool thing. Virtual assistance is booming right now. Businesses are desperate for help. They don't always want to hire a full-time employee, so they look for freelancers like you. The work? It's not rocket science. You could be answering emails, posting on social media, scheduling calls, entering data, or helping with customer support. Stuff you probably already know how to do. And the money adds up fast. Virtual assistants typically charge anywhere between $15 to $30 per hour. Beginners usually start at the lower end, but once you've built some trust and reviews, you can push it up. I've seen people charging $40, $50, even $60 an hour for specialized tasks like bookkeeping or CRM management. Do the math. If you're charging $20 an hour and only working 20 hours a week, that's $1,600 a month. That's nearly $20,000 a year, part-time. And the best part? You can scale it as much as you want. Work more hours, take on more clients, or just keep it part-time as extra income. Now, here's what I wish I knew when I started. Don't just present yourself as someone who can do tasks. Clients don't want just another worker. They want someone who makes their life easier. If you come across as a problem solver who saves them stress, you'll never run out of work. If you had the chance to earn $1,500 a month just helping people stay organized, would you give it a try? Drop a quick yes or no in the comments. And hey, if you're still with me, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel. But here's the thing. While being a VA gave me my first wins, the next hustle is where I made my first real online income. Number 2. Content creation and affiliate marketing. This one blew my mind when I first heard it. You're telling me I can get paid just for recommending products I already use? Yeah, it's real. You make content. Could be YouTube videos, TikToks, blog posts, whatever you enjoy. In that content, you naturally recommend products or services. You drop affiliate links, and when someone clicks and buys, you get a commission. Simple. I'll tell you my story real quick. My first affiliate commission? $2.50 from a $30 mic I recommended. Sounds tiny, but it happened while I was sleeping. That's when I knew passive income was real. The growth potential here is insane. Beginners can earn $100 or maybe $500 in their first few months if they're consistent. But if you stick with it, you can scale like crazy. Surveys show that affiliate marketers, on average, earn about $8,000 per month. Some of the big players? They're hitting 6 figures. And the difference is consistency, audience trust, and picking the right products. And it gets better. Affiliate marketing is passive income. Once you put content out there, it keeps working for you. I've had videos that still bring in affiliate commissions months later. Think about that. The content you made once keeps making you money over and over. Commission rates depend on the product. Amazon pays 1% to 10% per sale. Not massive, but great for beginners. Later, you can move into digital products, software, or online courses that pay 30% to 70% per sale. That's where things really explode. I remember promoting a course once where my cut was $120 per sale. 2 sales in a day. That was $240 in my pocket. So let me ask you, what's one product you'd recommend without hesitation? Comment it below. You might even discover your first affiliate idea right here. Now, affiliate marketing is powerful, but the last side hustle is my favorite. It's creative, it's fun, and it can literally pay you while you sleep. Now, let's move on to the last one, because it's the most creative way to start a business with zero investment. Number 1. Print-on-demand business. This one is exciting because it lets you turn creativity into cash without touching inventory. Okay, let's talk about print-on-demand. I love this one because it's fun, and you don't need to be a pro to get started. You create designs for stuff like t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, phone cases, or posters. Then you upload them to a site like Printful, Printify, or Redbubble. When someone buys your design, the site prints it on the product and ships it to the customer. You don't handle inventory. You don't touch shipping. You don't even see the product. You just get paid. I tried it during lockdown, uploaded simple designs on Redbubble, then forgot about it. Weeks later, $27 in sales. People I didn't know were wearing my designs. That's when it clicked. This works. The money can be really solid here. Let's break it down. If a t-shirt costs $15 to make and ship, and you sell it for $25, you pocket $10. Sell 100 shirts in a month. That's $100, $1,000 profit. Most beginners earn between $300 and $2,500 per month, depending on how many designs they upload and how well they market. But some stores? They're making over $50,000 a month. Yeah, $50,000. And those people started just like you, with one design. And you don't need to be a designer. Seriously, Canva is your best friend here. You can make simple, clean, catchy designs in minutes. Think quotes, funny sayings, hobby-based designs, pet stuff, and fitness motivation. People love buying things that reflect their identity. You just need to tap into that. The best part? Once your design is uploaded, it can keep selling forever. That's passive income again. You could be asleep, and someone across the world orders your mug or t-shirt. Money while you sleep. And the more designs you upload, the more chances you have to make sales. If you could design a t-shirt right now, what would you put on it? A funny quote? A motivational line? Drop your best idea in the comments. I might even use one in my next design. And that's the beauty of print on demand. You design once, upload once, and the income keeps flowing while you sleep. So here's the big question. If you had to pick one side hustle to start today, which one would it be? VA work? Affiliate marketing? Or print on demand? Comment your pick below. I read every reply. And listen, if this video gave you even one idea, imagine what's coming next. Hit that subscribe button right now, because I'm dropping more videos every week with step-by-step strategies to help you build income online. Don't miss out. Your first $1,000 could be waiting on the next video.